Hello, I'm Des with Geodetic UK, a software consultancy based in North Wales in the UK. This short video shows what can be achieved when you add Power BI capability within your Power App and then embed that Power App inside a Teams channel tab so that your meeting guests can look at tiles and reports in a very user-friendly way using the app we call MyIntel. Guest users need have no experience of working with Power BI, as the app takes care of the presentations to be discussed in the meeting. There are two parts in the app. The first part works with predefined tiles loaded by an admin user from any workspace in your tenant. The definitions of these tiles are stored in tables within the Power App's data source. For the tiles part of the app, we start from a list of predefined tiles, which we can add to, of course, and have as many as we wish. The idea of My Tiles is that we can select any 4 tiles as a set for review during a Teams meeting, for example. Each person in the Teams meeting can select a saved set by name, as specified by perhaps the meeting organizer. The meeting members can also create their own sets of tiles during the meeting and ask other participants to select it for discussion. Users can also view the tiles outside of the meeting, as the Channels tab are always available. To create a new set of 4 tiles, the user selects the corresponding quadrant against the selected tile and the tile will appear in that location. The user can fill 1, 2, 3 or 4 quadrants as appropriate. We'll select the first quadrant for this tile, the second quadrant for this tile, the third quadrant for this tile, and the fourth quadrant for the last tile. When the user has the desired set arranged as they wish, they click the Save Set button, provide a name for the tile set, and click the Save Set button. We can add more tiles by clicking the Add More button here. Let's select a new tile set and then I'll show you the report side of the app. The report tiles are full size and we simply select the one we'd like to view from the list on the left. The report is interactive, so we can click values or bars in one tile and the other tiles in the report will update as they do in Power BI itself. We can also use the filtering on the right for this report. For example, we can change the months included in the report. Here, another report, this time from my Dynamics Business Central data. We hope you'll agree that this tool is a great way to include Power BI presentations during the team meetings and also have your meeting attendees get fully engaged and most of all have a little fun in your meetings. Thanks for watching.